Ever wondered how some TikTok creators effortlessly rake in views and cash daily? In this video, I'm uncovering a goldmine niche that's still a hidden gem: marble races. With little competition and easy-to-make content, you'll be amazed at how simple it is to create viral videos and earn big. Stick around as I reveal the secrets to their massive profitability and unique ways you can cash in on this trend. These videos feature an entertaining race between two famous characters who must overcome various obstacles to reach the finish line. The twist is that the character in the lead sings a well-known song with their voice generated by AI. This unique combination makes the videos both entertaining and highly engaging for viewers. The blend of competition and music keeps the audience hooked and eager to see more. All right, let's dive right in and embark on this exciting journey. The first step is to download the app we'll use to create the marble races. The app is called Simple Marble Race, and you can find the download link in the description of this video. Once inside the app, you'll see a menu like this. The interface is user-friendly and easy to navigate, even for beginners. Next, go to the editor, click on marbles, and customize them to your liking. Next, click on the image icon and choose a popular celebrity image that you want to use. For example, I'm using SpongeBob. On the right side, you'll see some tools for moving and scaling the image. Adjust the image within the white circle, then click the Save button. Click on an empty slot, type its name, and finally click the $100 button to save your first marble. Repeat the same steps to create another marble for your second character. After creating both marbles, click the Home button. Then, click on Start Race, followed by Single Race. Next, select Individual, then Classic, and click the Continue button. Here, you will see different colored marbles. But we only need custom marbles for this video. Click the button to delete all the default marbles, leaving just one or two. Then click the plus button, go to the drop-down menu and choose Custom. Select any marble and click the Add button. Repeat the same process to add the second marble. Now, select any extra marbles and delete them. Okay. Now we have only two marbles. Click the Continue button. You'll see some tracks, which you can call maps. Select at least 6 tracks to create a 1-minute-long video. After selecting the tracks, turn on your mobile screen recorder and click the Start button. On the right side, you will see options for the camera, zoom, play, and pause. Click the eye icon to hide all these options so you can easily record the gameplay. Okay, our main setup is now complete. Next, we need audio for our video. For SpongeBob's audio, you can use websites like Jammable or Cover AI to generate background music. I recommend using AI-generated songs or searching for cover songs on YouTube to avoid copyright issues. Upload or paste the link into Jammable or Cover AI, then choose SpongeBob's voice. Here is a demo I created using both sites. After this, import all files into CapCut.
They wonderful, lean on me when I'm not strong.
Now the editing part is very simple. Just cut any extra parts in your video and add background music. That's all. I recommend using 2 different songs for each character to make your video more engaging. I have shown you very simple steps so that even a new person can easily create this type of video. After editing, export your video and upload it on TikTok or YouTube Shorts. Thanks for watching the video.
For the people jamming in the party, and you wanna know me, pushing everything right back on side for me. Yeah.